Hi, this is Taylor from the Freeport Community Library, here to show you how to make a DIY water bottle holder. First, find the middle of the string and tape it to the edge of a table or someplace where the string can hang down so it's easy to work with. Then, measure down 12 inches on one string and make a knot. Repeat it with the other string. Then, untwist the string so that each color is its own strand, as you see in the video now. Do this for each string. Now, take the two strands that are next to each other and knot them together about 6 inches from the previous knot. Do this 3 times using different strands to create each pair. Once you have all 3 of your first set of knots, move down 2 to 3 inches, but not further apart than the width of the bottom of the bottle. Take 2 strands that are next to each other and knot them together. Don't use the same 2 in a row. Do this 3 times using different strands each time. At this point, you've made 2 levels of 3 knots each. So now you're going to repeat that last step again to make a third row of knots, another 2 to 3 inches below, and then you're going to move another 2 to 3 inches below to make another set of 3 knots. So you will have 4 rows of knots. Now that you've finished all 4 rows of 3 knots each, go another 2 to 3 inches below the last knots, and then gather all the strands together and knot them all together, creating the bottom of your bottle holder. Then cut the hanging strings to whatever length you would like, and you can even create a tassel by unraveling the strings. And there's your water bottle holder.